close my eyes and fell into forever. No time, no wait, no name to keep, just silent lights in endless sleep. I drift where gravity lets go and watch the fading world below, where the stars forget to end. I become what I pretend. No more sorrow, no more skin. Just a spark that floats within. Your voice is now a distant sun, a memory I've just begun, but still it hums beneath the sound. In this place where I'm unbound, where the stars forget to end, I become what I pretend. No more sorrow, no more skin. Just a spark that floats within. And if I never find my name again, let the light remember me. I never said goodbye, but somehow you still hear me. Across the distance, through silent skies, I feel your breath and lullabies. No map can chart the thread we share, yet every step you're always there. Whisper across the miles, they reach me in the dark. I close my seeds of dawn unspoken. After the rain, I feel again. The sky is clear inside my chest. Where once was pain, now whispers rise. Soft winds of healing in my breath. The silence grew like golden fire, unraveled knots of old desire. And in the hush I found my name, no longer broken by the flame. After the rain, I feel again. The sky is clear inside my chest. Where once was pain, now whispers rise. Soft winds of healing in my somewhere between the stars and sleep. I lost the sound of your name. The echoes drift through empty skies. Your voice a ghost I recognize. Each memory slips like sand through time. Yet in the quiet you still shine. You fade into the silence, but I still dance with your trace. No words, no light to guide me. Just the ache of empty space. Your shadow falls across my day, a haunting song that never fades. I chased the dream I couldn't hold, a warmth that vanished in the cold. You faded into the silence, but I still dance with your trace. No words, no light to ashes of me, I rise unseen. A shadow turned to light between. The dark was deep, the wounds ran wide, but something sacred lived inside. From the ashes of me, I rise on.